platform, and I would be talking about a very nice feature that helps reviewers and client reviewers selectively, assess certain files from the bulk, and then this they can selectively review these files from the bulk, and they can choose to specifically review files from particular set of annotators, or files within a particular time range to identify certain specific issues or certain trends of issues that have been happening within a specific period of time. And this helps in focused attention of the reviewers and client reviewers on a specific set of files. This also helps in a parallel review process, because the reviewers can review files parallelly, and while certain reviewers are involved on a specific set of files, another set of reviewers can involve themselves on another set of files. Also, this helps them identify certain issues within a certain time period. For example, there may be certain annotators working on within a specific time period, and this may have caused certain issues within particular set of annotations. So that can be judged through this feature. Also, so it also helps in guiding the feedback mechanism and the training process, and it creates a very streamlined process for ensuring quality annotations. So I'll be giving you a quick walkthrough of how this feature works. The status, so I'll select the any of these statuses from here. So I'll select the status ready for client review, and then I have kept my date range as first to fourth, and then I'll apply my filters, and I'll get the files which are ready for client review, and I'll randomly select some of the files from here, and I'll go to this hamburger icon which is at the top right corner, and then I'll start my client review, and I'll click on take me to client review, and this immediately takes me to a separate window where I can review all my annotations. So I'll accept this one. Now this is the second one I selected, and I'll accept this one also. And this is the third one, the third file I selected, and I'll accept this one also. So I'll get those three files in a separate window for reviewing, and like I said, I can review in this window the three files, the three sample files that I've selected from the batch of files. So it's a very streamlined process which allows me to selectively take some files out of the total batch of files, and then push them into my focus area, have a look at them, and give them a go. So I hope this has been an enjoyable explanation experience for you, and thank you so much for being a patient listener. Thank you.